On this day, a president challenged the wall that divided the world, a future author whose words would inspire millions was born, and a nation declared its independence. This is June 12th in history. June 12th is remembered for powerful speeches, struggles for freedom, and cultural milestones that continue to influence the world today. Let's explore what happened on this day. In 1987, U.S. President Ronald Reagan stood before the Brandenburg Gate and delivered one of the most memorable speeches of the Cold War. Addressing Soviet leader Mikhail Gorbachev, Reagan declared, "Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall." The speech became a symbol of the growing demand for freedom in Eastern Europe and is remembered as a defining moment of the Cold War era. In 1898, the Philippine Declaration of Independence was proclaimed. After centuries of Spanish colonial rule, Filipino revolutionaries declared the nation independent. Today, June 12th is celebrated as Independence Day in the Philippines and remains one of the country's most important national holidays. In 1929, Anne Frank was born in Frankfurt during World War II, and documented her experiences while hiding from Nazi persecution. Her diary, The Diary of a Young Girl, would become one of the world's most widely read books and a powerful reminder of the human cost of war and intolerance. In 1981, Raiders of the Lost Ark was released. Directed by Steven Spielberg and starring Harrison Ford, the film introduced audiences to Indiana Jones. The movie became a global hit and launched one of cinema's most iconic adventure franchises. In 1776, the Virginia Declaration of Rights was adopted. The document emphasized freedoms such as due process, freedom of the press, and representative government. Its ideas later influenced the United States Bill of Rights and democratic systems worldwide. In 2014, the 2014 FIFA World Cup kicked off in Brazil. The tournament brought together nations from around the globe and became one of the most watched sporting events in history. From powerful speeches and declarations of freedom to unforgettable books, films, and sporting events, June 12th reminds us how ideas and actions can leave a lasting mark on history. Subscribe for more daily history videos.